how to log in and sign in to LinkedIn. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for linkedin.com. You will be led to the official webpage of LinkedIn, so go ahead and tap on the sign in option you see there on the top right of your screen, and you will be led to the login portal of LinkedIn. So go ahead and enter your email or phone number and then enter the password connected to your linked ID and then tap on the sign in option you see there, and with this you will be logged in to LinkedIn if the login credentials that you entered is correct. Also, if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option you see there and further follow the prompts to recover your password and log in further. Or you can also sign in using your Google account or your Apple account. So this is how you can log in and sign in to LinkedIn. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.